I'm your tour guide here. I would like to explain you about TMII in the short name. And alright, I will give you the information of the rules. Please all the ladies and gentlemen should throw the rubbish into the trash can. Please all the visitors always wearing masks, hand sanitizer and keep distance to each other. And please all the visitors may not bring food at museum. TMII located at Raya Taman Mini Street, East Jakarta. The area is 150 hectares. TMII was built in 1972 and opened on July 20, 1975. This park is summary of the culture of Indonesian nation, which includes various aspects of the daily life the people of the three-fourth province in Indonesia. TMII was built by Mrs. Tian Soeharto, but since July 2021 is opened by Government of Indonesia. Alright, from all of islands in Indonesia, Sabang and Merauke Islands, there are 33 pavilions from various provinces. For the example, the province of Aceh has the traditional clothes is Mekesah, and then the traditional house, namely Krombade, and then the weapons is Pedang. Next is DIY province or Yogyakarta. The traditional house from Yogyakarta is Joglo, and then the traditional clothes is batik, and then the weapon is keris. Next is Jakarta as the capital city of Indonesia. Jakarta's traditional house from Jakarta is Kebaya House, and then the traditional clothes from Jakarta, namely Kebaya Enjim, and then the weapons is golok. Next, the last is Papua province. The traditional house from Papua province, namely Honai, and then the traditional clothes from Papua, namely Koteka or Holim, and then the weapons is tombak. In TMII, there is Punabakti Pertiwi Museum about history Soeharto's life, second president Indonesia. There are scale stations. From here we can see a miniature map of Indonesia. And then the fare is 50,000 rupiah for only one person. In TMII, there are so many gardens such as jasmine, cactus, and medical herb. Also in TMII, there is famous water park, namely Snow Bay Water Park. In TMII, we can learn a lot of animals, such as bird park, insectarium, freshwater aquarium, and reptile park. I think this is a good place for all of the visitors who are animal lovers. Also, there are so many museums, such as Electricity and Energy Museum, STEM Museum, and Transportation Museum, etc. Also, the famous place in TMII is Indonesian Children's Castle. In Indonesia, there are so many religions, and in TMII, there are all of religious buildings. It means to showcase the interfaith tolerance and harmony religions of Indonesia. I will give you some recommendation vehicle in TMII. There are rabbit mini train, bicycle, and motorcycle. For the fare, the rabbit mini train, it costs 10,000 rupiah for only one person. And then for the bicycle and motorcycle, it costs 15,000 rupiah and 50,000 rupiah for only 1 hour. For an entrance ticket with car, it costs 20,000 rupiah. A bus or truck, it costs 40,000 rupiah. And then the bicycle, it costs 5,000 rupiah. And the last is motorcycle, it costs 15,000 rupiah. TMII operating hours only weekdays and open 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. In conclusion, all of culture and education about Indonesia is in this place, so there isn't lazy word for learning. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the end of the tour today. I would like to say thank you to all the visitors, and I hope I can see you to all the next tour. Thank you and bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome at beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park. My name is Bella Rizkiana, but you can call me Bella, and I'm your tour guide here. Always pay attention to your hand protocols such as wearing masks and maintain distancing, as well as maintain cleaning the area and not damage the facilities. I would like to explain here about beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park. TMII full address at Jalan Raya Pamandini, S Jakarta, DKI Jakarta, Indonesia. Beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park, built by Mrs. Tian Soeharto. TMII has a logo which basically consists of TMII, which standard for Beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park. TMII started in 1972 and was inaugurated on April 12, 1975. In this place, almost every noun group has a different shape and style. Even and every verb has more than one type of traditional body. This picture represents ethnos group and 34 provinces in Indonesia. Among these display a collection of traditional clothing, wedding dress, and handicraft. In this place, intend to provide collection information about the traditional way of life of various place. Not only that, here there is also a small shop that serve variously of information profits. In this religious building, represented by several hostels of worship official recorded religion in Indonesia, were built to illustration mutual religion of religion people in Indonesia. Not only that, here TMIL also has recreation facility such as Indonesia Children, Cape Cod, Snowcake, and Iptek Museum. Kiongmas Image Theater, which is giant screen theater, that is much bigger than normal size cinema. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, can you watch for a moment please? Jakarta. Jakarta is a large metropolitan city. Jakarta is not only the center of the national government and the province government, but also the center of national trade politics. Jakarta is very developed. There are five Jakarta, namely Central Jakarta, North Jakarta, West Jakarta, East Jakarta, and South Jakarta. Yogyakarta, the beginning of the establishment of status of Yogyakarta Keraton. Yogyakarta is one of Japanese places. They still in the unitary status of republic. Aceh. Aceh Sultur is a collection Sultur from various ethnos group in Aceh, Indonesia. A tribe has its own Sultur, language and mindset. Papua. Papua is province located in the utmost part of Indonesia. Alright, schedule of beautiful Indonesia miniature park. Monday until Sunday and Trans operating hours TMII and start 6 am until 6 pm. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the end of the today tour. I would like to say thank you to all our visitors and I hope I can see you all of the next tour. Thank you and bye bye.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome at beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park. My name is Laurencia Natalia, but you can call me Lauren, and I'm your tour guide here. I would like to explain about beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park, and all visitor always to wear a mask and bring hand sanitizer. To all visitor may not to throw the rubbish in this area. Beautiful Indonesia Miniature Park located at Raya Mini Street, East Jakarta. The founder of the mini park is Miss Siti Hartina, fondly called Miss Dian Soeharto. The MII was built in 1972 and inaugurated on April 20, 1975. If tourists want to visit the MII game, the MII is open from Monday to Sunday. Operating hours start from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. The MII area is 150 hectare. The MII has a logo which basically consists of the letter TMII, which standard from Taman Mini Indonesia Indah, which the mascot is a Hanuman puppet character named Nitra or Anjani Putra. The mascot of the MII was inaugurated by Miss Dian, coinciding with the age of the MII in 1991. The traditional building or architecture that they make are always motivated by environmental and cultural conditions they have. At the MII, this picture is realized through the religion pavilion, which represent ethnic group in 33 provinces of Indonesia. The provincial pavilion is thematical, divided into 6 zones: Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Bali and Nusa Tenggara, Maluku and Papua. Each pavilion displays a typical local building. I want to explain about the Aceh Pavilion. Aceh province is located at the sea tip of the island of Sumatra. Aceh has two models of traditional house. The first is the historic traditional house, which is the original Cutmutia house, which was deliberately moved to TMIF from this original place in the Perak Hill area, North Aceh. This Cutmutia house is over 150 years old and on the left corner of the pavilion. There is a wide open stage where various Acehese art are displayed, especially on Sunday and holiday, and on this Aceh pavilion there is also a jengki, a traditional Aceh food for pounding rice. Then there is also a mini Dakota, Republic Indonesia Plane 001, Selwa, and other. Next building is the Papua Pavilion. On the Papua Pavilion, there is a Kariwari house, which consists of two floors and demonstration of aspect of Papuan culture, including large photograph, various form of asma status, positioned around boats, sell art currency, war clothes, and ceremonial clothes for tribal chiefs. Koteka and status demonstrating the traditional ceremony of making tattoo on the back of the boy who is growing up. The exhibition is equipped with precursors various types of crocodile, crowned, pigeon, four-legged snake, or blue-tongued lizard, and bird of paradise. Another building is Sili, namely the Dani settlement in the Balim Valley, Island Papua, which consists of Hanai, which is a house with round roof like mushroom for men, Ebe Hanai from women, and Wonai Hanai from pitch. The building consists of two floors, downstairs for eating, cooking, and daily activity, while upstairs for sleeping and imitation of the peak of Mount Jayawijaya, and the top of the mandala is aimed the contrast to the left of the gate, flanked by statues of the Asma tree. At the entrance, there is a room sign. The Biak House is used by the Pavilion Management Office to provide information on all matters relating to Papua. Next, there is a traditional Jakarta house called the Kebaya House, taking the form of a traditional house of Betawi tribe, a native Jakarta tribe, the operated because of the mixing of Sundanese, Malay, Chinese, and Arabic culture. Kebaya house, this house has terrace which is as a living room. Inside the house is the family room, dining room, and bedroom. In the home furnishing, the building next to the Kebaya House is a replica of the national monument kept as icon of Jakarta. A pair of ondel-ondel status welcome all visitors. In the past, ondel-ondel was only used to ward off evil spirit. Now, ondel-ondel doors are often used to unveiling various events in Jakarta, especially when there are traditional ceremonies among the Betawi tribe. Inside this two-story building, the history and culture of Jakarta, especially Betawi culture, is displayed. Demonstrate display moonscope and dioramas that tell aspects of Betawi culture. Up to the second floor, here is told the story and development of the city of Jakarta from a port city to a super busy capital city. Next, the Yogyakarta Special Region Pavilion at TMII display a model of the Mataram traditional house. As the main building, basically this traditional house is divided into three parts, and one of them is the front, which is known as the Great Pendopo, functioning as a place for massive guests and hold on performs. Such a pavilion at the Yogyakarta Palace is building without walls for Sokoguru or staple pillars supported by supporting pillars around it. All the pillars are made of carved wood with decorative pattern originating from Hindu, Buddhist, and Islamic traditions. A set of Javanese gamelan that was held, namely Kiai Shantimulyo or Laras Pelok and Kiai Raja or Laras Selendro, seem to decorated the Grand Pavilion, and the West Kalimantan Pavilion of this building is an imitation of the palace of the Kadiansa Sultanate and a Rumah Betang or Longhouse, the Sultan Palace of Kadiansa Pontianak, was originally founded in 1771 at by Sultan Syarif Abdurrahman Al-Qadari. Entering the palace building, you will see a demonstration depicting Sultan Abdurrahman Al-Qadri sitting side by side with his consort. Utin Chandramidi while watching a typical West Kalimantan dance, namely the JP dance. Nearby were seen accompanied to minister and their wife. Likewise, some equipment such as small cannons, flag, yellow umbrella, spears, and gamelan appear on display around it. Another building is an imitation of ulambu, which was originally a place to store corpses placed in coffin. The coffin is called sandung or toras, diamond wooden pillars covered with humans are on all four sides, which originally functioned as a burial place for the bones of humans who had died. We can also see a imitation of the Equator Monument, which was originally found in Batulayang village. Pontianak Municipality, a typical West Kalimantan motorboat model called Bandung appears, and the font next to a floating house model Elite Landing. The two main buildings on the West Kalimantan Pavilion functioned as a palace to introduce traditional objects such as mandau, rope pipe, nest palilit, or woman head gate, and damak or small cheat. Beside that, in the middle cable car where the recreational facilities make the MII one of the leading tourist art Indonesian city. And there are also a puppet castle entrance ticket price is 15,000 rupiah, mini train 25,000 rupiah, golden snake theater 35,000 rupiah, cable car 50,000 rupiah, Indonesia Museum 15,000 rupiah, Heritage Museum 10,000 rupiah, World of Freshwater 30,000 rupiah. Any visitor have a question? Otherwise, I will close our trip today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the end of the tour today. I would like to say thank you to all of visitors and I hope I can see you all for the next tour. Thank you and bye bye.